Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning how to install the Techbooth WordPress theme. As you can see, this is the home page of the theme demo, and the home page of the theme is divided into two main sections. The left-hand side section is the sidebar, which is a fixed sidebar, and then next to it you have the main content area, which is scrollable, as you can see here. Alright, so the sidebar section has the logo here, and then you have the navigation menu here, and then below that you have the social media icons section here, and then next to it at the bottom you have the email address section here, and your business contact number. Alright, so the main content section here starts with a main slider. This slider contains six different slides. Each slide will have a main image, and then you have the main image caption area. In that you can display a headline here, and below that you have a description text section here where you can put some random text or whatever you want to display here, and below that you have the main welcome area where you have the main headline here, and then you have a small description text section here, and below that you have these three main features of your service, which is the first one is photo booth, video booth, and green screen, and below that you have some small description text as well. You can obviously replace it with your own different set of features, and then below that you have a section here that displays your video walkthrough. You can display your service introduction videos over here, how your services are provided, what all features you provide to your customers, or it is basically there to display your video walkthrough. All right, so and then next to it you have this client testimonials area where you can display three different testimonials of your clients. It has a main image here of the customer, and then you have the testimonial text here, and then the customer's name here as well. And next to it you have this request a quotation form here. This is a standard contact form with all those different fields for name, email, event type, and then you have event date option here, and type of rental, and all those different fields are here as well. And the last part of this main content area is the footer text area, where you can display your copyright text here, your domain name, and anything else you want to display. For instance, you can show your privacy policy or disclaimer link here as well. Alright guys, so this is the home page. In this video we'll be learning how to set up this home page. So for that, quickly head over to your dashboard. The first thing we need to do is to install the theme, and install two main plugins, which is a contact form 7 and a WP page navigation plugin. So we'll start with the theme file installation first. For that, go to your dashboard, appearance, and themes, and then click add new and install the theme. Click on upload and choose file. After your purchase, you will receive a theme folder, which is Techbooth theme 12, and in that you have to go to your theme files folder, and then select the techbooth.zip file, open it, and click on install now. Alright, so the theme is now uploaded. Click on activate to activate the theme. Okay, so the theme is now activated. Now we have to install the plugins. So for that, go to plugins and add new, and now search for the main plugins, which are contact form 7 and WP page navi. So the first one is contact form 7. Enter the name of the plugin here, and then press enter. Then it will show you here. You can click on install now to install the plugin. Okay, so it is now uploaded. Click on activate, and move on to installing the other plugin, which is WP Page Navi. So again, go to plugins and click add new and search here WP dash page Navi. Press enter and it will show you here. Alright, so here's the plugin. Click on install now. Activate the plugin. This is pretty much it. Now you have to set up the home page. Okay, so for that, go to your dashboard and click on uh, go to your dashboard, go to your pages, and then click add new. We need to create the home page, so name it as home or anything else you want. Okay, and then leave this content editor area blank, and then go to page attributes section over here and then select home page template. Click publish, and so the home page is now ready. Now we need to assign it as a static page to show it on home page, and for that you go to settings and reading, and here you can select a static page. Select below, and in that menu you can select the home page that you have just created. Select that and click save changes. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at the home page now, how it looks. Alright, so the basic layout of the home page is now set up. Now we'll have to install the sidebar, logo, set up the menu and everything else. So we'll do that in a moment. I'll just quickly disable the toolbar and again go back to the home page. Okay, so as you can see on the theme demos homepage, this is the logo here. I have already provided you the logo.psd file that you can edit, or to you can edit to create your own logo file, or if you already have your own logo file that you can then you can upload it in the theme option panels. So to set up this logo, you have to go to again your dashboard and appearance and then theme options, and the first option is header. In that section you have this field for logo image upload. You can click on this plus button over here and then select files, and then go to the destination of your logo file. For me it's in images. Select the file, open it, and then use this image. Okay, and then click save changes, and then let's take a look at it how it looks. Alright, so the logo is showing here fine. Now the next part is the menu, which is this one. You have these uh, 8 different tabs: home, about, gallery, events, and all these pages. So for that we will quickly have to create all these pages and then assign the menu. For that, again go to pages and add new. The first one is about, so I'll just name it about. I'm just setting up the menu at the moment, so I'll leave the content area as blank for the moment, and then to set up all those pages we'll be doing a separate video. So for the moment I'll just leave them all these pages blank, and yeah, now click publish to publish the page. Okay, so the next one is gallery. Click add new and name it gallery. Again, click publish to publish it. The next one is events. Okay, send this page, publish it. The next one is events. Publish. Pricing, testimonials, and blog. Okay, so I'll just quickly set up all those pages here. Pricing, publish, testimonials. Okay, and next one is blog and contact. Blog and publish, and the last one is contact. Name it contact and click publish. Alright, so the main pages are now set up. So now you have to assign all these pages in the menu. So for that, go to appearance and menus, and here you can see it is already added in this menu. If it is not showing here, you will have to create and name it here and then create a menu. So I'll just remove the sample page from this, and it is showing home twice, so I'll remove that as well, and click on create menu. And now once you have created the menu, you have to go down to this theme locations section over here and select primary, and then again save menu. So the menu is now set up perfectly. It should be showing on the home page. Let's see. All right, so as you can see, the menu is showing here now. Okay, so the next section is to set up these these social media icons to their respective URLs, to their page URLs. So for that, again go back to the dashboard and theme options, header section, and then in the header section below the logo field you have these four different sections for Facebook URL, Twitter, Instagram, and Yelp. Okay, so I'll just enter the main URLs here. You can obviously replace it with your own Facebook page or Twitter pages URLs. Okay, so and themes. Instagram goes here, and then Yelp as well, or whatever those URL might be of your business pages. Okay, and once you have entered all these page URLs here, then click save changes, and now these icons will be linked to those pages. Let's see, if you mouse over it, then you can see it shows facebook.com/ln themes. Same with Twitter, Instagram, and Yelp. Okay, so this social media icons pages section is now set up correctly. The next one is the email address and phone number. So I'll just copy it from here, the email address, and then again go back to appearance, theme options, header, and then go to the last part here, which is email address. Enter your email address here and then your phone number. I'll copy the phone number from here, enter the phone number here, and then click save changes. All right, let's refresh and see. Okay, so the email is shown here and the phone number is here as well. Okay, so the sidebar is set up correctly here. The next part is the main slider. As you can see here, this slider has 6 different slides. As you can see, if you click on this white arrow here, it will show all these different slides and their main headlines and description text. So we'll set up all these slides one by one. So for that, go to your theme options again, and then the second option is slider. There you can upload all the images of those different slides, their headlines and their descriptions. So as you can see, there are total 6 slides. The first one is here, then you have the second one here, its headline, its description. You have the third one here, and then it goes all the way to slide 6. Okay, so the first one is slide 1, so I will just upload the image here. I've already got those images downloaded, so I'll just upload them one by one. Slide 1, open, and then use this slide, and then below that you have this slide headline. As you can see, the first slide is this, and this is the headline. So I'll just copy it from here, copy that, and then enter the headline here, and then you have the description. Just copy that and paste it here. You can obviously replace these headlines and descriptions, um, and replace it with your own headlines and description text, and you can use your own images as well. All right, so I'll just quickly set up all these headlines and images and descriptions. So the second one is slide 2. Okay, slide 2 headline is this: wedding photo booth. description. Now the third slide is here. Slide 4 image goes here. Okay, and copy that. Slide 5 image goes here. Headline goes here, and the description text now. And now the slide 6 image, upload it. Copy the headline, paste it here, some description text, paste it here, and then save changes. So it should be showing the slider on the home page now. Let's see. Alright, so the slider is set up here. As you can see, if you click on this arrow, it will show you all those slides here now. Okay, so the slider is now set up perfectly. Now let's take a look at the other section, which is this main welcome section. It has this main headline here. So to set up this section, I'll just quickly copy paste all these details from the theme demo. So the main headline is this one. I'll copy that and again go back to the theme options, and then the third option is this, the home page setup. The main headline goes here, paste it here, and then copy the description and paste it here. You can replace it with your own, and then you have the main feature, the first feature, copy it and paste its headline here, photo booth, and then copy the description text and then paste it in feature 1 description. Same with the other ones as well. I'll just quickly copy and paste them here. Video booth, the second feature is, and then the description text. Okay, and now the third one is green screen. Copy that, paste it here, copy the description, paste it here, and now you have this main video section. So you need to copy the video URL. For instance, if you click on this video, this is a Vimeo uploaded video. You need to grab the embed code. For that, you can click on share. No, actually you have to click this icon here. Click on this, then it will give you this iframe source code. You can you just have to copy this main URL of the video. Okay, just copy this. It is copying the whole code, I guess, so you just have to trim it down. So copy the code from there and then come back here in the theme option panel in this video embed field, and then trim it down to this this one. Trim it down to this code, this URL code only. Alright, so this is actually what you have to copy and paste it here, this main video URL from the embed code. And then you have this testimonial section here. So it has this main headline here, so copy that and again go back to the theme option panel, and here you can paste it, testimonial headline, and then you have these in the testimonial section you have these 3 different testimonials. Alright, so I'll just quickly download all these images first. Okay, save image. second one, and the third one. You can obviously replace it with your own images as well. I'm just quickly downloading and uploading these images just to show you guys how it works, how it should be done. All right, so the first testimonial image should be uploaded here. Testimonial 1, use this image, and then the first testimonial text is this. Copy that, paste it here. Customer name, and city. You can name, you can enter the name and the city as well. So I'll just name the city as Boston. Okay, so the next one is testimonial 2 image, uploaded. Testimonial 2 file here, and then use the image testimonial 2 text. I'll copy this one from here, and then copy the name of the customer, and then you have the third one as well. So upload the third image, and then copy the testimonial text, and then name it anything you want. I'll name it as Dale Steyn. He's my favorite fast bowler. He's a cricket player. Anyway, so the next thing is this contact form section here. It has this main headline here, request a quote. You can enter that here, and then you have this small contact form description text. Copy that and then paste it here. And now you have to select, you have to create a contact form 7 form. For this, I have provided you a contact form file which has the code to create this form in contact form 7 plugin. So to create that, you have to go to the theme file folder that you have downloaded, and in that you have this contact form 7 code, and the first file is form.txt and the other one is mail.txt. So for that, let's quickly first save these changes that we have made. So, and then we'll create the contact form. So okay, so these changes are now saved. So let's quickly take a look at them at the home page. All right, so as you can see, all this section is set up perfectly here. The video is showing here. The client testimonial section is set up. Request a quote headline is there, and then you have this contact form description, and it is not showing the contact form 7 as yet because we have not set it up. So for that, go to your dashboard again, and then go to contact and click add new, and then enter the title whatever you want to, and I'll just say it, I'll just name it as contact form 2, and as you can see, it says form and mail. So these are the two tabs that contains the main code. The first one is the form. For that, go to the theme file folder, and in that you have this contact form 7 code, and the first file is form.txt. This is what we need here right now. So open that and copy the code, and then simply replace it with this code. Delete that and paste it here. Click save changes, and the next one is mail tab. So here you can open the mail.txt file and copy this, and then in this section message body you can paste it here, and then click save changes. Okay, so the contact form is now ready. Now again go back to the appearance, and then theme options, and then click on home page, and then go back to the bottom part, and here you have this contact form section, and here you have the option to select the form that you have just created. So we just created the contact form 2. Select that and save changes. So it will be now showing on the home page. Let's see. There you go. So the home page contact form is now showing here. Alright guys, this is pretty much it in the home page. The next part is the footer text, as you can see here. So just copy it and then again go back to the theme options panel and then click on footer section, and here you can enter your text. So if you want to show a privacy or disclaimer page here, all you have to do is to just enter this code, random random hypertext hyperlinked hyperlinked code here. For example, http dot your domain com privacy policy, and then name it as privacy policy, and then save changes. Alright, and then the next section is for Google Analytics code. If you are tracking your website with Google Analytics system, you can paste your Google Analytics code here and then click save changes. Let's take a look at it now. There you go. As you can see, the footer copyright text is shown here, and then the link that we created for privacy policy page is shown over here as well. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it in this home page setup video of Techbooth WordPress theme. In the next series of tutorials for this theme, we will be covering how to set up all these different pages for about. um, in the theme demo, as you can see, about. This is a pretty much standard page, and then you have all these different other pages as well: gallery, events, pricing, testimonials, blog, and contact us. So we'll be learning that in the other video tutorial. This is pretty much it guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it pretty easy to follow. Thanks for watching guys.